What if I told you becoming a millionaire has almost nothing to do with driving a Lamborghini, waking up at 5 a.m., or chasing the next big business idea? In fact, most millionaires become rich by doing things that are, honestly, pretty boring. No viral hacks, no overnight success, no lottery, just simple habits repeated for years. Today, I'm going to share 5 boring habits that quietly build wealth. These habits aren't exciting, but they're the exact reason why ordinary people become financially free, while everyone else keeps chasing shortcuts. Let's get started. Habit 1. Living below your means. This is probably the most boring habit on this list. When people get a raise, they upgrade their car, upgrade their apartment, upgrade their lifestyle. Millionaires often do the opposite. Instead of spending more, they save and invest the difference. Imagine 2 people making $100,000 a year. One spends $95,000. The other spends $60,000 and invests the rest. After 20 years, the second person isn't just richer. They could have hundreds of thousands or even millions more because of compound growth. Wealth isn't built by looking rich. It's built by keeping more of what you earn. Remember, rich people buy assets, everyone else buys liabilities. Habit 2. Investing consistently. Investing is incredibly boring. You put money into an index fund, then nothing happens for weeks, months, sometimes years. That's why most people quit. But here's the secret. The stock market rewards patience, not excitement. If someone invested just a few $100s every month for decades, the power of compounding could turn that into over $1 million. No magic, no luck, just consistency. Successful investors don't try to predict tomorrow. They simply refuse to stop investing. Habit 3. Reading and learning. Every day. Most successful people read. Not because it's fun, because knowledge compounds just like money. Reading 20 pages every day doesn't seem impressive, but after 1 year, you've read around 30 books. After 10 years, that's hundreds of books. Every book improves your thinking just a little. Better thinking leads to better decisions lead to more money. Small improvements create massive results. Habit 4. Delaying gratification. This habit is incredibly boring because it means saying, "Not today." Instead of buying the newest phone, you keep the old one. Instead of eating out every day, you cook at home. Instead of spending, you invest. Delayed gratification isn't about being cheap, it's about choosing a bigger reward later. Instead of a small reward today. The people who master this skill usually win financially. Habit number 5. Showing up every single day. Here's the most boring habit of all. Showing up. Even when you don't feel like it, working on your business, learning new skills, saving money, investing, exercising, doing the same things again and again and again. Success rarely comes from one huge moment. It comes from thousands of ordinary days. The people who become millionaires usually aren't the smartest, they're simply the ones who didn't quit. So here's the truth. The road to becoming a millionaire isn't glamorous. It's repetitive, it's disciplined, and yes, it's boring. But boring habits create extraordinary lives. While everyone else is chasing the next shortcut, millionaires are quietly repeating the same simple actions every day. So ask yourself, which one of these 5 habits are you going to start today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.